Isaac started a channel, and this month, in his first month, he got monetized. Let's see.
Hell, well done.
Yeah, so also Michael got a really good channel, which he made over $3,000 with. Okay, this one took longer to get monetized, but the first month of being monetized, it did really well. So I would not drag on too long with a channel, like not 2 or 3 months without seeing any traction. Just do like 15 videos, see how it's going, see how the traction is, and then make your decision based on that. Yeah. I would just really look at new videos getting a certain amount of views and trying to raise your baseline. So let's say today the video you post gets 20 views, and you want to try, like, every video you post, you want to get more baseline views. So why you ask this question about sourcing content? So his question was this: one, how to get the video is just searching with Google, or maybe they buy footage somewhere. Where to find the videos? Is it just crop the footage 5 seconds and edit with another footage and add voiceovers? For copyright strikes and demonetization, I want to make the same niche long live. What the best strategy? Can I use the same footage from that channel? So if you're going to make your videos yourself, guys, the first thing you have to understand is the fair use policies of YouTube, which is just literally, you can Google fair use on YouTube. You have to understand how this works. Basically, what it comes down to is you got to make your content transformational. So you add voiceover to it, for example. I would always recommend you to add a voiceover to your channel's videos so that you are safe in terms of copyright problems. Then what you can do is either use stock material websites to source the footage from. So you were subscribed to it's like $15 or $20 a month or whatever, and you can here get. Oh, I'm just gonna mute you real quick, Gurwan. Thanks for joining, Gurwan. I messed up the time zones, so we've been on for 1.5 hours already, or like 1 hour and 15 minutes. But thanks for joining. Let me share again. So you're gonna subscribe to something like Envato Elements. There's a bunch of other stock websites. Just pick the one you like best, and then here you can download footage to input into your videos. A lot of video editing programs like InVideo and Veed.io also have the stock footage implemented in there, so you can use it, or like Pictory AI also has it, right? So understand fair use, find the stock material here. If you have a channel that is based on like sports, for example, then you want to use existing material that is live on YouTube. If you download a 10-minute video, you just need to use like 7-second shots of that video every time and mix it up. And then also add a voiceover to be safe from copyright issues. And like I said here, always add a unique voiceover to it too. Why you asked this question? Are you still here? And do you have any other questions about it? Or is it clear right now?
Hi, Casper. Sorry, I'm still confused about using other materials. So like from the other that like Michael Jackson, how we can found the footage, because it's like a special footage.
Bro, can you speak a bit louder, because it's very hard to hear you? Sorry.
Okay. Wait. So for the footage, real footage, like for the news or for the celebrities, it's like a real footage. So we cannot find in the stock footage. So if we just found it in the YouTube, it's possible to just like cut in 7 seconds and add a voiceover.
Exactly, yeah. So stick to the 7-second rule and add a voiceover. And if you go through this file, the fair use policy, it will explain you what you can and what you cannot do, okay? So it's really important that you give this a read.
Okay, will do.
I'll share it in the chat. Does that answer your question?
Yes, I will try it literally.
All right, perfect.
Thank you, Casper.
So we already covered Lisa's question about the music license. We had this about sourcing content. Let's see, Andreas also asked something here. So this is basically what we just discussed with Oberon. So he asked the strategy to use. Should I focus on creating videos on keyword-based videos with low competition, high to mid search results? Or let's see, or model viral videos from competitors. So create similar videos of viral or semi-viral videos similar. So we discussed this a lot in previous coaching calls too. First of all, I would think about your channel that you are making. Is it based on people searching actively for it on YouTube or not? Because yes, vidIQ can be nice to see the search volume in a niche, and it can show you like the potential market reach. But if no one is going to search for your channel's videos, then focusing on only SEO will not help you. But it is always important to do SEO or like some form of SEO, so that if you have a channel and your competitor channel, that YouTube can link your channels by focus on SEO. So if you feed YouTube SEO, the algorithm will understand what your channel is about, and then they can link it to another channel and basically push it in the suggested content of that other channel. So I would mix the keywords and the modeling viral videos, but I'm a huge fan of finding new channels about a specific topic that are doing very well, and then like modeling what they are doing, basically. So yeah, mix it up, but just do some vidIQ searches and see if it's not too high competition and if the search volume makes sense. But don't base your whole decision on only vidIQ, because there's so many video topics and niches that are based on search and browse views and not on search volume alone. So really mix this up a little bit. So maybe you could say, I'm going to make 15 videos, focus 7 of them a little bit on keywords, and then 7 of them more on like a broader appeal and not just keywords. All right. Guys, does anyone have questions left that they want asked? Like raise your hand or unmute yourself. Guru, and you just arrived. Maybe you want to explain where you are in your journey, and just start thinking about niches that interest you, like topics that interest you, where you maybe would want to make a channel around. And then in the courses, I have like niche research methods. Really take your time going through a lot of example channels, so you understand what is possible in terms of you starting channels in specific niches.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
then it's also really important to understand like what type of channels there are. So like listicle channels, just like top 10 channels, or maybe you want to do a news channels or news channel about a topic, or you want to do a documentary channel. Understand what different, like maybe a quiz channel, that's a possibility too. So think about which channels are possible, and then also which topics interest you, or something that you maybe wanted to like do a channel around.
Okay.
Got it?
Well, I'm gonna say, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I'm also trying to do something new, so I will look what's upcoming, you know, for the new format of videos, and I will use that.
Exactly. Yeah. Good luck, man. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. And yeah, I would start with the past group calls for sure.
Yeah, I know that's a good one always for every ecom thing.
Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. Thanks for being here, man. And sorry about the time zone difference. I messed that up.
Yeah, I was asleep. It's no problem. Anyway.
Oh, good, man. Good to see you here.
Thank
and
you.
Good luck, man. See you in the
All
group
right.
next week.
Thank you.
Isaac, question for you.
Yeah, last question, Casper.
Yes.
Just wondering, when building a team, do you have any recommendations on some platforms where you can talk with the team members, or do you use like just Instagram or Discord to?
Yeah, I use Slack actually myself to manage my team, like talk with them. So Slack, yeah.
Slack. All right, we'll check it out.
Yeah. So yeah, I use it for my personal business and also for my team with the YouTube automation. And if you have a group in Slack, maybe it's a couple dollars a month, but it's very nice to work with and easy too. But you can also use Discord, I guess. But I'm not I never really use Discord, so I just never got into it. But yeah, Slack definitely works well.
Does it cost money for the video editors and stuff like that as well? Then?
No,
Or
just for you, there's like a little bit of a fee to manage Slack if you have a business account, I think. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Guys, we are nearing, like, if no one else has any questions, we kind of went through everything. Let me see if I missed any questions. We went through a lot of their progress. We went through a lot of questions for today.